Yeah, I want to talk about three choices. And the three choices are: A, God made us, we evolved through evolutionary processes, or something lives inside us that keeps us alive every day, completes all these daily activities that happen inside our body. So, my question to you is, what do you think is more realistic? That a God created everything, all this diversity, all this complex life, all these processes that happen inside our body, or this process of evolution where everything slowly evolved from a single cell to very complicated structures like the human body, the human brain, the human digestive system. And how do you explain that we're alive every day? How do you explain that everything gets maintained so beautifully every day? How do you explain all these foreign life forms that live inside our body? Who is controlling them? Who is putting them to work? Who is making sure they don't get out of hand? Who is making sure that we stay healthy, that we stay sane, that we don't go crazy? We have all these processes that are happening inside our body that require something to influence our daily activities, to control our physical activities that take part inside our bodies. So, these questions about, do we have souls living inside us that are actually doing a lot of these really important activities for us every millisecond? Every cell has this enormous amount of activities that take place. And who is controlling that? Who is organizing each individual cell to communicate with each other, to do all these great tasks together, to keep us breathing, our heart pumping? There's got to be something more powerful, more close to the ground, more close to us than a God from the sky giving us these messages and these controls. It's very interesting how we haven't ever really considered that something lives inside us that is doing all these beautiful activities every millisecond. So it's a tough scenario that we have to really consider, that there's got to be something living inside us that has a bigger objective of creating massive amounts of diversity. We have all these building blocks inside us, all these reproductive mechanisms that are beautifully orchestrated. All this stuff is going on, and nobody is talking about a possible idea that maybe we are controlled from the inside out.